grep command. The first command is grep. Okay, what is grep command? So to search any string in a file, if you want to search any string in a file, I have a file called demo file. If I want to see the contents of the file, what to do? If I want to see the contents of the file,
cat
greater than demo file. If you see, this line is the first uppercase line. This is something it is there. Now, what I am doing, I want to search a string called this, in the demo file. If you give this, is it showing only small this, the lines? It will show, grep will show the lines which contains that string, this. Is it showing the lines? Yes or no, please? And in orange color, it is showing this as highlighted. Yes or no? Is it right? Because I am searching for this. Suppose if you search lower, if you search line, suppose line, okay, in this file, demo file. If I want to search a string called line, you see, that is not the demo file, right? See, it is showing all the lines which contains line. If I give this, suppose, if I give above, okay, so grep above demo file. See, is that right, please? Did you understand what is grep command? Yes or no, please? Okay, this is how. Next, okay. Now, if I have demo underscore, suppose if you give ls demo underscore star, what it will show? If I give ls demo underscore star, what it will give? What will you guys?
List.
All the files there is starting.
All the files started with demo underscore.
Started with demo underscore. These many files are there. Now I am searching a string called this in all these files. You see, is it showing demo f1, demo f1, f1, f1. These are all belongs to demo f1. These are all belongs to demo f2. These are all belong to demo file. These all belong to demo file 1. Like that also you can search. Next is, suppose insensitive search. Okay, I wanted to see THE. If it is any case in THE, I want to search. That is insensitive search. Grep -i. See, it is showing capital THE, small THE, all the cases it is showing. If you just use grep, just the demo file, means it will show only small THE. Yes or no? So I means insensitive. I means insensitive. That is what I. Next R. Search all files. Search all files in all directories. Okay. Search all files in all directories. What? Grep -r Ramesh star and say give it. Star means all files. -r means all directories. Check. See a.txt. In this directory we have in the root directory we have a.txt. In that Ramesh is there. Okay. And we have one more file called info-shared backup a.txt. There also Ramesh is there. Yes or no? Is it showing all the files? Suppose I will give salary. Suppose I'll give just grep -r salary. Okay. Enter. It's not there anywhere. Where am I? Sorry, pwd. Let me take any other one. cd. ls will say we'll take any cd info-shared cd src files. Okay, ls. Now in that we'll take any file. Okay, cat salaries.txt. In that what is we have? What we have? We have salary, right? SALARY, capital letters. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll come back. Okay. Okay. Now what I'll do? I'll write the same thing. Grep -r salary star. Salary star. Enter. See, in how many files salaries exist? You see, please. Yes or no, guys? In the where, see, grep -r salary given. Where and all salary exist. a.csv salaries exist. Okay. And this file is also salaries exist. On this file also salaries exist. Yes or no, please? On this file also salary exists like this. It will show grep-r means it will show all the directories. It will search the string in all the directories. Star means in all the files. Okay. Look for the string Ramesh in all the files in the current directory and all its subdirectories and all its subdirectories. Next is -l. If I give -l, okay. If I give -l, okay. See, -l means only it will show the file names. -l means only the file names it will show where this contains, where the string called this, okay, wherever this is contains, only those, okay, those files it will show, only those file names it will show, okay. If I give just grep this demo star means what it will show? If I give grep this demo star means what it will show? What guys, what it will show? Guys, please speak up.
Demo.
If the demo file only this
Wherever this string contains in any file.
Demo started.
Demo underscore. Which is starting demo underscore. Okay. Something happened to my throat. Maybe yesterday morning 3 hours, evening 3 hours, my throat is gone. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, grep this demo. You are able to hear me, right? You
Yes,
are
sir.
getting a low
Yes,
volume,
sir.
right?
No, sir.
So grep this demo star. Demo underscore star means it will show. If you are giving only L means -l means only the file names, list of the file names. -l means list of the file names. Okay, which contains this. That is all. Next one. Okay, -n. It will show the line number. It will show the line number in this file where this contains. See, in the second line this contains, fifth line it contains, sixth line it contains. Okay, next. Now, suppose if I give you grep Unix gig file.txt. If I give like this, what it will show? What it will show? Anybody please quickly? Grep Unix file name. What it will show?
All the line if the file has that.
All the lines which contains Unix keyword. Correct? Unix string. Now, but what I'm doing is, you see, this contains, okay, sorry. So this will show all the lines which is having Unix. Suppose if I use grep -v, okay, it will, that is, it's a reverse one. Reverse means it will show all the lines which does not contain Unix, which does not contains Unix, small Unix. Yes or no, please? Yes or no, guys? This is my file. This is my file. Which is my file? This is my file. Okay, this is my file. If I give grep Unix means it is showing only the string called Unix it is present. If I give -v means it's a reverse. Reverse means it will show which does not contains Unix. Okay, that is grep -. Okay, next. Okay, see there are two patterns. I can say two patterns in. Okay, in Oracle we have percentage and underscore, right? Yes or no? While you are using like operator, we are using percentage and underscore.
Percentage.
Yeah. Percentage will take 0, 1 or more characters, and underscore will take only one character. Yes or no? Did you remember?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Same way we have a, not same way, but little different way. But these are also called a patterns. What is a pattern? Is cap symbol. This cap symbol and dollar symbol. Cap symbol means it will represent the first of the line. The regular, this is called a regular expression. Okay, the cap regular expression pattern specifies that starting of a line. Suppose you want to see all the files, all the lines whose lines are starting with Unix word. Whose lines are starting with Unix word? See, is Unix is starting? Yes or no? Yes or no, please? Is Unix is starting? If you want to start, if you want to see, suppose I will see grep, okay, I will see just A. That means I want to see all the lines which are starting with A. Is there any file? Is there any lines? We'll see. Nothing are there. We'll see what is there in this.
Sir, give capital A, it will show Agarwal.
Okay, capital A. Yeah, yes. Okay. So grep starting means this one capital A and then geekfile.txt. Okay. You see this. It is showing all the lines which is starting with A. Okay. That is called cap symbol. Dollar means ending with. If I want to see all the lines ending with a word called OS, ending with a word called OS, then dollar symbol. Dollar means ending, cap means starting. Dollar means ending, cap means starting. Suppose I want to see all the lines which are ending with OS, Is it showing? Is it ending with OS? Yes or no? Please. Yeah, that's how it will show. Okay, that is called cap and OS. Okay. Next, hyphen W means it will match only that word. Hyphen W means only that word is whole word. Okay, only that word it will show. That is hyphen W. The next most important is, okay, you will be having a brackets. You can use the brackets. Okay, A-E means match all the lines that contains only any of the letters A, B, C, D, E. Okay, any of the letters A, B, C, D, E. What I told, okay, okay, what this will, what is that? That cap symbol, if there is no bracket, just grep in the quotes, cap symbol Unix means it will show all the lines which is starting with Unix. Suppose if you are using brackets, square brackets, inside that, if you are using a cap, that means it'll act as a reverse. It'll act as a reverse. That means it will show all the lines does not contain a vowel. Match all the lines that does not contain a vowel. Okay. So let me check exactly the command for this because it is not working. 1 second. Here it is. Why we need to use hyphen n? Hyphen n, hyphen dollar, why it is required? Okay, so just what I am saying is, I want you to understand if it is in brackets, suppose if you are using brackets, whatever A, okay, all the lines which is having the letters A, B, C, D, E. Suppose if inside the bracket, if you use a caret symbol, then that is called what I can say, that is called invert. Invert means, okay, match all the lines does not contains a vowel. That is called this one. If the cap is outside, if it is cap is outside of the bracket, there is no bracket, that means starting. If cap is inside of the bracket, that is means exclude those characters. Dollar means ending. Okay, that is how it will work. Next command is sort. I have a file name. I will show you one file name. Okay, cat. I'll send all these files to you to practice. Okay, cat file name.txt. This is all right. 01 Priya, 04 Shreya, 04 Tuhina, 02 Tushar, something. Okay, some names are there. Now, if I give sort file name.txt, is it sorting? It will sort based on the first character. Because first character is 0, it will go to the next character, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, or next number, whatever it is. Is it sorting? Yes or no, please? Is the file is sorting?
Yes, sir.
Suppose
the 2 and 3, the 2 and 3 should not, the 3 should be before 2. TUS.
No. Don't see this. Don't see this. See the first two character or second character. This is a complete line, no? This is complete line. Okay, you should see this starting. I'll show you. We'll go to our info shade. Okay, so lscd info shade. Okay, lscd src files. In this cd, yes, in this we have salaries.txt, no? Sorry, cd.
Directly, sir.
cd src files. Okay, ls. In this we have salaries.txt, right? Cat, where is salaries.txt? Are you seeing any? Yeah, here.
Yes.
If you see this, okay. Now in this, these are not sorting, no? The employee IDs are not sorting, yes or no? Is that right?
Sir.
Now I am giving what I am giving. Please see. Okay, salaries.txt, right? Now what I'll do is, okay. So what I'll do is sort salaries.txt. Check. Okay. Based on the first number, it will sort. Based on the first number, it will sort. It is not sorting whole. See, because first number is 1, it is showing. Okay. It will show like this. It will show like that. Suppose if there is a sort -n. If you want to sort based on, it will sort hyphen means search for a string. It will be. If you see sort, okay, assume the below initial lines. Okay, for the example, sort means arrange the lines alphabetically or numerically. Alphabetically or numerically. Numerically, if you want to do is, we have a -n. Suppose if you give sort -n, then you see sort -n, it will sort properly. You see, please. Sort -n. Is it sorting now? If you give sort -n, is it sorting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Correct or not? Yes or no, please? Yes. This is how it will be. Just if you give sort means it will take as a string. Okay. So I'll go back. ls. Okay. Clear. Now suppose next one. See this. If you see this, I want to sort in reverse order. -r. Sort in reverse order. You see? Is it sorting reverse order? Is it sorting reverse order, please? Yes. Okay, that's how reverse order. Now, suppose, now this is first field, this is second field. Suppose you think that this is a delimited file. What is the delimiter here? Or what is a fixed? It's a fixed file. There is a space, right? After 1 to there, this is called a ID. This is called name. Suppose it's a flat file. It's look like a flat file. Yes or no? This is first column. This is second column. Yes or no, please?
Yes.
Yes. Now I want to sort second column. I don't want to sort first column. I want to sort second column. For that, K means field. K means field. Okay. Second field. Sort -K2 means sort K means field. Which field you want to sort? Second field. Which field you want to sort? Sort second field. Is the second field sorted? Is the second field sorted, please?
Yes.
-K3 means third field. -K4 means fourth field. Okay. There should be a delimiter. Okay. So if here there is no delimiter, means it is taking space as a delimiter. It is taking space as a delimiter. Are you clear, please? -K means field. One more is, I told you, sort -n means numerical order. Suppose you want numerical reverse order, sort -nr. Numerical order. Sorry, numerical reverse order. Okay, you see this is a numerical in reverse order. Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes or no, please? This is how it will take it. Now, next is I have a cars.txt. You see, please. Cars.txt, cat cars.txt. Cars.txt. So there is no files at all. Okay. I will append cat space cars.txt. Okay, control C. Yeah, now check what is there in cars.txt. What happened to this? Okay, cat greater than I give. Sorry, cat double greater than I should give. Not a problem. Okay. Okay. Now check. Okay, this is my file. Suppose if you give sort u cars.txt, what is showing? What it is showing?
Unique.
It is giving only unique records. It is giving only unique records. Now, by using Informatica, how many ways you can delete the duplicates? By using Informatica, how many ways you can, delete the duplicates? Okay, one second, please. Cat cars.txt. What is it? Okay, no problem. Now, what is my question is? How many ways you can delete the duplicates from Informatica? Tell me. If a source is a flat file, how many ways you can delete? the duplicates?
By using sorter and aggregator transformation.
Sir.
By using sorter and aggregator. And next, any others?
Sort command and unique command.
Command.
In the pre-session command task, you can use this command.
Yes,
No?
yes,
In the
yes.
pre-session command task,
Pre-session comment.
you can use sort -u cars.txt. Yes or no? Can you give? So that's how it will work. Okay. So that if you want to, if I want to, how many ways you can delete the duplicates? How many ways you can get the unique records from a source table? From a source is a table. Then
Source qualifier.
Source qualifier.
Qualifier query.
Qualifier.
source qualifier query, select distinct. Number second option is select distinct. Third option is using sorted transformation. Fourth option is using aggregated transformation. Fifth option is using a command task, pre-session command task. Okay, clear, please?
Yeah, yeah.
So this is the most asked interview question, please. Okay, how many ways you can delete how many ways you can delete the duplicates from a source file or a table? This is the most asked interview question. Okay, now, yeah, tell me.
Delete the duplicate record means we are deleting the record from the file.
Yes, yes. We are
Whatever
see,
the duplicate, or just fetching the unique record.
fetching. Here, sort will fetch the unique records. That's it.
Yeah, we are not deleting, right? That's
We are not
why,
deleting. It will fetch the unique records. Okay,
we are
not
fetching the unique record.
Okay. Now, suppose if you see months.txt, this is a file. Suppose these are the file, right? This is having only months. Yes or no? If you want to sort based on a month, capital M, sort -m, months.txt, capital M means sort based on the months. Okay, if you have months in a file, if you want to sort based on the months, see, is it sorted based January, February, March, August, September? Yes or no, please? Is it all sorting based on the months? Yes or no, please? Yes. This is how it will be. Okay, this is all sort option. Okay, so please practice that. Next, unique. Command line utility that reports filter out the repeated lines of a file. Displays the unique lines in the file. Unique is a tool that helps to detect the adjacent duplicate lines and also delete the duplicate lines. Suppose, what is there in kt.txt? What is there in kt.txt? We'll see. Okay, ls kt.txt. Oh, what is it? Sorry, kt.txt. Here, I love music 3 times. I love music of Karthik 2 times. Is there? Yes or no? Is it right? Suppose, what I'll do, I'll write it again. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, this is one. Now, suppose if I give -c, it tells how many. It tells the number of times a line was repeated. -c means count. See, please. 3 times I love music is repeated. 3 times I love music is repeated. Yes or no? This space is repeated 1 time. Okay, and I love music of Karthik repeated 2 times. This space repeated 1 time, and this is thanks is 1 time. Yes or no? So number of lines which are the number of lines which are repeated will show. Suppose, okay, unique -d. What will happen? See, please. Unique -d means it will show only the lines which are repeated. It will show only the duplicate lines. It will show only the duplicate lines. Yes or no? Is it showing only duplicate lines which are duplicated? Is it showing only? That is called -c mean count of the each row, how many times it is repeating. If it is not repeating, it will give 1. Okay. If you give -d, it will show only duplicate records. If you want to extract the duplicate records from any file, you can use unique -d. Okay. Suppose, see, please. See, it is always fetches. Okay. If you see unique -d means it is giving. Suppose if I see kt.txt inside the file, it will be there only. Suppose what I wanted, these duplicates are there, no? Now, okay, clear. What I'm saying is, please observe. Suppose unique -d kt.txt means what? It will show only duplicate lines. Yes or no? Is it right? Correct or not, please? Yes. I want to redirect. I wanted to copy these 2 lines, output of this line to next file. What to do? Any new file. I want to copy this output of this command. What is the output of this command? I love music. I love Karthik. I love music of Karthik. Okay. So if you want to copy this output to another file. What to do? Anybody please?
Double greater than.
Greater than
File
sign.
name.
Just a greater than. Okay?
File name.
Greater than. So you can redirect this to any file. Suppose file 3.txt. File 3.txt. Then this output will be copying to this output will redirect to this file. See, cat file.txt, cat file 3.txt. Check. Is it going? Yes or no? Yes or no, please? Yeah, that's all. Okay. So next is you. Okay, only show lines that are not repeated. Only show the lines which are not repeated. The lines which are not repeated is which are the lines which are not repeated? Two spaces here are not repeated and thanks is not repeated. Only it will show like that. Are you clear, please? Everybody, are you clear? Yes or no? Guys, clear, please? Yeah. So that's how Unix will work. The most important command is head command. Okay. The most important command is head command. Suppose I have a state.txt. What is that in state.txt? We'll see. Okay, cat. They will ask head for sure in the interview. Now what are there? I have all the states in the state.txt. Yes or no? Do I have all the states? Yes or no, please?
Yes,
If I want to see how many, if I want to see the count of number of lines present in state.txt, which command will use? I want to see the count of lines. I want to see the count of lines. How many lines I wanted to count means I should count
WC-L, I think so.
WC-L, WC
Yes.
word count. WC-L state.txt, it is having 28 lines. Yes or no? Is it having 28 lines? Yes or no, please? Yes. Now, suppose I am giving head state.txt. Head means head by default prints first 10 lines of each file. First 10 lines of each files to standard output. What is standard output means? What is standard output means? Anybody please? Guys, what it is saying? See please. Head by default prints the first 10 lines of each file to standard output. What is standard output? Anybody please? Guys, quickly. Don't waste your time, please. We have many things. Sorry, what is standard output?
std out file. Okay.
It's a standard output means our monitor. Okay. In our system, what is our standard output? Monitor. What is standard input? What is standard input? Keyboard. Yes or no, please? Is it right or not? You are entering the input it will take is by keyboard and output it will display in the system. That means monitor. Standard output means on the screen. On the screen. By default, head will print the first 10 lines of each file to screen. To screen it means standard output means our monitor. Okay. Head state.txt. Is it showing only first 10 lines? Is it showing only first 10 lines, please? Yes or no? It will show first 10 lines of each file. First 10, suppose if you want to see, okay. Okay, if I want to see like this, see this. Then what it is giving? -n5 means first 5 lines. No, instead of that, you can directly give head -5 also. Instead of using n, you can directly give head -5 state.txt. This will also work. Okay. If you want to see first line, what to do?
-1.
-1 file name. Okay, clear please. That is called head. Next, suppose I want to see please. What is this? It will show first 20 characters. -c means first 20 characters. If you calculate Andhra space Pradesh Aruna, it will be these are all 20 characters. 20 characters are there. So that is -c. Okay, that is the one. Next, tail command. Reverse of head command is tail command. Tail will display last 10 lines of last 10 lines. Tail will display last 10 lines. Yes or no? Is it displaying last 10 lines? Is that right, please? Okay, head will display first 10 lines. Tail will display last 10 lines. If I want to see last 3 lines, tail -3 state.txt. Yes or no, please? Sorry, tail -3 state.txt. Okay. If I want to see last line, next, tail -1. Tail, this one. Okay. Now suppose I want to see last 6 characters. Then last 15 characters. If you want to see tail -c plus 15. Okay, tail -c last. What is it? Plus 15. Why? Okay, skips the first 15 characters from the specified file. So plus 15. If you give just tail -c 15 file name.txt means 1 second, please. Okay. Tail -c 15.txt. What is showing? Please? Last 15 characters. Yes or no? Last starting from here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Last 15 characters. If it is any spaces, it will take that also. It will give last 15 characters. Suppose if you give the same way, -c plus 15. -c plus 15 means skips first 15 characters. It will skip first 15 characters. Did it skip Andhra Pradesh? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It skip. That is what? -c plus 15. Now, okay. Now what I can say is the most important command. See, if you kind of this one, if you see, I'll show you. Now I am giving a pipe symbol in between. There are 2 commands. No, head is 1 command, tail is 1 command. Yes or no, please? Head is 1 command, tail is 1 command. Is that correct? Yes, head is 1 command, tail is 1 command. Now if I give head -15 state.txt, what will give? Head -15 state.txt. What will give?
Display first 15 records.
First 15. Now give this output to tail -1. That means how it will work is like this. It will work. Tail -1 in the brackets. It will work like this. Internally, it will work like this. If I give like this, what will happen, please? If you want to understand this, first inside the bracket it will work always. Yes or no? Always. Head 15 means this is in this output last character. In this output last character. That means which line? 15th line. In the 15 characters, last line I am taking 15 lines means 15th line. It will show 15th line. Head -15 state.txt tail 1 means 15th line it will show. Are you clear, please? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes or no? Now this is the most important question. How to see 100th line in a file? How to see 100th line in a file? How to see?
Head -100
Head.
file name.
Head -100. Head -100 file name. Pipe tail
Tail of
tail -1. Don't use a minus word here. Use always a hyphen word. Hyphen. Okay. So that's how you can use if you want to get the second line, third line, fourth line, you have to use like this. Yes or no, please? So display the nth line. Head -n file name. Head -n file name. Okay. Pipe tail -1 means to display the nth line in a file. Okay. Now, if I want to sort last 7 state names. If I want to sort last 7 state names. Tail -7, what it will give? Last 7 lines it will give, and it will sort based on the sort order. Suppose if you give just tail hyphen, okay, clear. Okay, tail -n 7 rupees, last 7 lines it will show. If you want to sort these last 7 lines, then use with a sort command, with a pipe sort command, Yes or no? Is it sorting? In reverse order. In reverse order it is sorting. If you give just sort, it will sort. Otherwise, see please. Now, if you give just sort, it will sort the last 7 lines. If you give -r in reverse order, it will sort. Okay, done please. Everybody, are you clear?
Unix.
Guys, are you clear? Yes. Okay. Next command is diff command. Diff means different. Okay. Diff means difference of the, if you want to compare two files, then we will use diff command. What is there in cat? What is there in a.txt? Cat a.txt. Okay, it is there in a.txt. Then what is there in cat b.txt? Cat b.txt. Okay, something else is there. What I'll do is I'll create a same file cp b.txt to c.txt. Okay, both are same right now. If you see cat b.txt, same thing. Cat c.txt, same thing. Cat c.txt, same thing. Okay. Now what I'll write it? Diff. Okay. b.txt, c.txt. I'll write it. b.txt, c.txt. No difference. Yes or no, please? Is there any difference? No difference. That's why it is not giving anything. Suppose I will write like this. I'll write cp b.txt to a.txt. Yes. Okay. Fine. Now what I'll do is I will open a.txt. What is there in a.txt? Like this we have. Okay. Cat double greater than a.txt. I will append one file called kar. Okay. Control C. Okay. Now what we have in a.txt, cat a.txt is this one. Cat b.txt is this one. What is the difference between these two? Kr, right? In the first file, kr is there. In the second file, kr is not there. Now difference a.txt space b.txt. Is it showing kr? Yes or no? Is it showing, please? Kr, fifth line is 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line. Okay, fifth line. D4 means something else. Okay, okay, difference 4, I guess. Here, after second line, the fourth line is not exist. In the first line, fifth line is exist. Okay, that is how it will give difference. What is the difference? Kr is the difference in these two files. That is.
Can you do b minus c instead of d b minus ba? Just change the order of b.text space a.text. Yeah.
4a5. Okay. So EAD, I'm not sure. I need to check. What is, I forgot actually. What is A and D? I don't know. Need to check. Okay. I'll let you know. Anyways. Now, the next one is TR command. Most asked interview question base. Translate command. TR means translate. Suppose I have cat geek file. What is there in this? 1 second. I have what file I have? State.txt. Suppose what is there in state.txt? This is there in state.txt. Now I want to convert all small case letters to uppercase letters. All small case letters to uppercase. How to type? Cat state.txt. I'll clear it. Clear and write. Cat state.txt pipe. Okay. Then translate small a to z to capital A to Z. Sorry. Okay. Cat state.txt hyphen tr translate small a to z to capital A to Z. Is it converted, please? Yes or no?
Yes.
All small. So no. See, please. Cat.state.txt. It will display like that. It will display to the monitor like this. It will display. Suppose I have only capital letters. In cat geek file, I have capital letters. You see, in cat geek file, I have only capitals. Now you want to convert capitals to small. You want to convert capitals to small. Then you can use like this. Is it converted capitals to small? Yes or no? Suppose I wanted to, suppose in the previous thing, you please tell me what to do. Cat state.txt a to z to a to z. It will just show it. But I wanted to replace that file. That means I wanted whatever there in the file content also it should change to a to z. What to do? What to do, please? You are getting my point. If I give like this, only on the display it will show capital letters, but in the file it will be small only. I want to replay. I want to inside the file also it should change. What should I do?
Greater than cat.
Greater than just the same file name. Greater than the file name. That's it. Now please see. cat
Big
state.
file, I think.
No, start this one. I wanted this one.
Okay, okay, yes, yes.
Check. Is it not there? In cat state, nothing was there. It should have. It should come actually. Otherwise, pipe start setup. It should come, but I don't know. Somehow it is not coming. Okay, if you give, it will give it. Okay, that's how you can redirect in the say. Okay, so that is called TR means translate. Translate from lowercase to uppercase to lowercase. Next, the most important command is cut command. Cut. To cut any fields of a file. To cut any fields of a file. State.txt gone. God. Okay. But cut only one is there. Why? 1 second, please. Just give me 1 second. There are many options. Why it is on the cut command? Just give me 1 second. State.txt, it was replaced with something. Wanted that case to the Just give me 1 second, please. Greek folks. Greek forges. Oh, okay. I want this only. Cat greater than state.txt in this. Okay, I will copy all these files again. Okay. Now please see. Control C. Okay. Now, if you see cat.txt, cat state.txt, I have all the file, these things. Okay. Now, if you want to see, please, first command, cut command. Cut command. Okay, cut command. Okay. Suppose if I want to cut first character, second character, third character. First character, second character, third character, then it will cut like this. Yes or no? See, please. It'll show only first 3 characters. Yes or no, guys? Yes. First 3 characters, if you want to cut, means cut -b bytes. Cut the first 3 bytes. 1, 2, 3 state.txt. Suppose if you want to give some ranges. Suppose 1 to 3 I want to cut, 5 to 7 I want to cut. Then use this 1 to 3 characters, first, second, third, 5, 6, 7. If I want to cut, see. So A and DRA. H was gone, right? Yes or no? H was 4th character. We are cutting first, second, third, and 5, 6, 7. Yes or no, please? So H in Andhra, H has gone. Okay. In Arunachal, ARU, N is gone. Okay, like that. Okay, if I want to cut. Suppose, okay, 1 to next end. If I want to cut, okay, from first byte to end of the byte of a line. Byte means character. Byte means character. Cut -b 1 state.txt. It will show from first to end of the character, it will cut. Suppose in the same way, if you want to cut from third character, okay. So -3 indicates first byte to third. -b, -3 means 1 to 3. You can give like this also. See, please. You can give -b 1 to 3 state.txt. That means it will cut only 1 to 3. Yes or no? Is that right, please? 1 to 3 also if you give, or just you can give -3 also, not a problem. -3 state.txt. State.txt. Both are same. 1 to 3, -3, both are same. Okay. Now, suppose you want to cut based on the column. You want to cut based on the same character, same it is. C is column or character. One second, we'll see. Cut -257. Okay. This selects the character given in the C position. Okay. 1 second. Cut -C 257. -C 257. ANDHRA. 1 second, please. Cat state.txt. Okay. So in that second, okay, then what it is showing? Fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sir,
Each. Yeah.
please clear the command prompt. We couldn't see the commands actually.
Which one? Here?
Yeah, here.
Yeah. Okay, 1 second, wait. They were good. Okay. Now say same. It's C means characters only. 1 to 7. If you want to see first to 1 to 7 characters, -C. Okay. Same 1 to 7 you can give it. Same. Now the next thing is if you want to cut based on the fields, selected field only. If you want to give, see in this there is no delimiter actually. I'll take one file. Okay, our file will take. I'll go to CD. Our file, what is info-share? Okay, ls cd src files. Okay, ls will take one file. What is the file will take? Cat employee is what is there in this? What is the delimiter for this, please? What is the delimiter?
Pipe.
Okay.
Pipe.
Suppose now pipe is my delimiter. In this file, what is the file name? I'll copy the file name. 1 second, please. Employees.txt. In this file name, in this pipe, which is a pipe delimiter file. In this, I want to cut. Okay. I want to cut the first field, first to fourth of line each. 1 second, please. Command prints field from first to fourth of each line from. Okay. I'll do it like this. You please see. Cut -d. -d means delimiter. Then give the delimiter name. What is the delimiter? Pipe delimiter. Ours is pipe delimiter. Then -f. 4 I'll give. Just 4. I'll give 4 state.txt. Sorry. What is that? Employees.txt. What is cutting? It is cutting the fourth field maybe. It is cutting only. It is showing only fourth field. We'll see what is the fourth field in cat. See this. If you give cat employees.txt, it is going indefinitely, right? That means you need to scroll back. If you don't want to use, okay, if you don't want to do like that, then use a more command here. So please see. If you give more command, more. See, it will show like this. Are you seeing what is the 1, 2, 3, 4? What is the fourth column? What is the fourth column? Email. This email. So that means if you give, you can enter. Like more means you can see 1 by 1 like this. If you enter, it will show all the lines like this. Otherwise, it will come to the end of the line. So use always more like this. Okay, what is that? Like this. Okay. If you have any more than, suppose it may take some 30 lines, more than 30 lines. If you have it, just give file name, cat file name, pipe more, so that it will give. Now, what is my command? If you see this command, this one, right? Cut -d means delimiter. What is the delimiter of file and which field you want to extract? That is what. Suppose if you give first field, it will extract only first. It will cut only first field. Is the first field? Yes or no, please? Maybe employee ID. You check. Employee ID is the first field. Yes or no, please? Correct? Are you clear, guys? Everybody, are you clear, please? Cut command. Suppose if you give 1 to 4 means first 4 fields it will cut. If I am giving 1 to 4 means, okay. In this you give 1 to 4. It will cut first field to fourth field. Check. Is four fields are coming? See please. One is what? Employee ID, first name, last name, email. That's how you can extract something from a file based on a delimiter, based on a field. That is called cut command. Okay. That is called cut command. Okay. Next command is zip command. See, the zip command. What is zip command? Zip command is like we will zip it, right? Suppose if I want to zip this, okay, send to compressor file, we will zip it. Same way we can zip these things. Suppose I want to zip, if you see please, okay, I'll zip file name, file 1, file 2, file 3. It will zip file 1, file 2, file 3 in archive zip file name. In archive zip file name. Check. The file names are not there. We'll see what are there in this. Okay, ls files are there. File name 1, 2, 3. Okay. What I'll do is zip this zip, okay, file dot something, okay. So zip file or file dot zip. What and all I want to zip into this? I want to zip file 1, I want to zip file 10, I want to zip file 20, I want to zip file 1.dat. Okay, is it zipped, please? Adding file 1, defaced, sorted, adding. So it will add it, and it will, if you see now, the zip file put out there. Is the zip file is there? File.zip?
Yes.
Yes or no, please? That's how to zip a file name. Zip file name. Then whatever you wanted to zip, you can use it. That is called zip command. Then unzip means it will unzip all the zip, it will unzip. Okay, unzip. Okay, file.zip. Okay, see, it is unzipping. When it is unzipping, file 1 is already there. If you want to replace, yes, means Y means yes, no means no. A means all, it will replace. It will all, it is replace, like this. Okay, so like this it will do it. So the next command is echo command. Echo means whatever you want to write, it will display. Whatever you write after echo, it will display on the monitor. That's it. If you give hello, echo hello world, it will give hello world. Echo hello world means it will give whatever there after echo. If you give echo 1 means it will give 1, like this. Okay, if you give echo something, it will give the same thing. Okay, that is called echo command. Next is most important command, please. Reverse. REV. REV means it will reverse the file's contents. Suppose what is there in file command? File 1. You see, cat file1.txt. What is this? We'll take any good file. ls-lrt. Which one? It is demo f1. Cat demo f1. Cat demo underscore f1. You see, please. Okay. Now you please see. Cat demo f1. This is there. Now what I am writing? REV demo f1. What happened, please? Did it reverse the characters? Did it reverse all the lines, please? See. Hello. HLLO THIS is my first, what is this? Unix file. Yes or no? To reverse the file contents, we'll use reverse command. The most asked interview question. How to reverse a string? How to reverse a string in Unix? How to reverse a string? I want to reverse Java. Echo Java pipe symbol REV. Is it reverse a string? If I want to reverse my name, echo, okay, REV. Is it reverse, please? Yes or no, please? So how to reverse a string? Echo string pipe REV. How to reverse a string in Unix? Echo, okay, echo string pipe symbol REV. This is how you need to write. Are you clear, please? Everybody, are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. So there are two things are there, SCD and AWK. These are having many options. Okay. If I want to tell SCD and AWK, it will take 2 days. So I have given here. Okay. So please try to read and understand. There are many commands are there in SCD. Whatever you are using cut, whatever you are using TRZF, all those things can be used by using SCD and AWK command. So please read those. Okay. These are all it will show. Okay. AWK, it will scans a file, splits each input line into fields, compare, performs actions. Okay. All these things it will go ahead. Okay, so AWK and SCD it's a huge commands. Okay, there are many options are there. So try to read. I given the examples here. Try to read this. Okay. So one last thing is there are last 2 commands. History command. If you give history, it will show in this session how many commands I have given. History. These are all the commands I used today. These are all the commands used from maybe from when it is showing. Today we have seen somewhere else. Okay, so from when I started this session, from there it is. If you want all the commands, you give history, cm commands 1.txt, something you write it. History greater than commands 1.txt, you write it. So it will go to the command. Now if you see commands.txt, okay, all the commands will be there. That's how history will work. Okay, so that's how history. AWK overview, if I want to give AWK, it will be useful for all these operations. It will scan a file line by line. It splits each input into files, compares input line, perform actions, transform data files, produce formatted reports. There are many things are there in AWK. There are many these ones in AWK place. It is like what I can say. It's a huge. It's having huge options. Okay. So the next one is the most important thing is VI command. So VI is a editor. VI is a editor. Editor means, suppose see please, if you give cat any file name, if you give any cat file name, now in this you can if you want to append, you want to append at last, right? Yes or no? Suppose I wanted to append hello. After that hello 1 2 3 I want to write. How to write? Can you write? I want to edit this file. I want to edit this file and I want to write hello 1 2 3 this like this. To edit any file, we have a VI editor. We have a VI editor. VI demo F1. Now it'll open in a editor. VI editor having two modes. One is escape mode. This is escape mode, and one is insert mode. One is escape mode. One is insert mode. Escape mode means you cannot write any commands. You cannot write. Okay. If you press I, small I, then it will insert. You can insert now. You can insert hello 1 2 3. Okay. After that, if you want to save it, you have to press escape. You have to press escape colon escape colon. W means save. Q means quit. W means save. Q means quit. Okay. We cannot do anything. They have written like this. Okay. They have written Unix like this. We need to learn it. So enter. Now it is saved. You check now cat demo file. Cat demo F1. Is the 1 2 3 has come? Yes or no, please? Is 1 2 3 has come? So what you need to do? VI file name. Once it comes, you press I first, small I. Then it will be in insert mode. You write whatever you wanted. You write this is something. Okay. A, B, C, D, F. You write it. If you want to get out of this file, if you want to just quit it without saving, colon Q in it, right? But that means it will not save. If you want to quit with saving, okay, W colon WQ. Enter. Okay, now it is saved. You check. Is it saved? Yes or no, please? It is saved. And there are in escape mode VI editor, right? In escape mode, there are few commands. What are those? Okay. Let's see, please. There are many commands in VI editor. What are those? We'll see few. Okay. If you see this, I means insert at the cursor. Okay. Suppose if you see there are they will ask like this. They will ask these things. See, if you want to move, suppose I will open in a VI. Now you are not pressing any. If you want to press any, if you did not press any I, you can give like this also you can use. But few editors, there are no up and down and left or left, right arrow buttons. It will not work. Few editors. For that, what you need to do, if you want to move cursor up K, you need to press K. Suppose I am in down. If you press K, is it going up? I am pressing K. Is the cursor is moving up? Yes or no? K means up. Then J means down. J means down. J means down. K means up. J means down. K means up. H means left. It is moving to left. H. Next, L means right. L means right. They given something. Okay. So K means move cursor up. J means move cursor down. H means move cursor left. L means move cursor right. These are things they will ask. In VI editor, how you want to move cursor right? How you want to move cursor right? L. Okay, if you press L, then it will move cursor right. H means cursor left. J means cursor down. K means move up. You have to remember. There is no another way. Suppose, if you see, please, if you want to delete a line now, you should be in escape mode. Press escape. If you want to delete this line, small dd. Is it deleted? Is it deleted, please? dd. I am pressing dd, small dd. Is it deleted? Yes or no, please? Yes. So that is called this one, dd. dd means deleted. Okay, U means undo last change. U. It is coming. I am pressing U. Is it coming all? Yes or no, please? U means like this, you have many things in this. Okay, there are many things in this. Okay, you have to read all those things and you have to practice all them. Okay, they will ask these things: how to cursor move left, right, and how to get out of the VA editor. If you want to colon W means only it will save. Colon Q means quit without saving. Hyphen escape colon W key means it will come out. It will come out with saving, with save and quit. That is about VA editor.